Hey, drone fans! Today, we're looking at the YL05 Mini Drone, the ultimate flyer for kids, beginners, or anyone who wants the joy of piloting without the complexity of a massive rig. This little guy is designed to be fun, safe, and incredibly easy to use, thanks to one standout feature, that massive 4.5-inch dedicated control screen. For 0.5-inch screen control, no phone needed. The biggest headache for new pilots is often fiddling with phone clips and apps. The YL05 solves this completely. It's been upgraded to include a 4.5-inch large screen directly on the remote control. This means your flight feed is instantly viewable on a crystal clear screen, no syncing, no phone battery drain, just pure flight enjoyment. It's truly ready to fly right out of the box, making it the perfect toy or gift for young pilots. Smart tech for easy flying. Don't let the size fool you. This mini drone is packed with smart technology to make flying effortless. The optical flow positioning system is key here. It allows the drone to hold its position and altitude automatically, making hovering and indoor maneuvers a breeze. It's essentially a hands-off hover mode that's fantastic for stability when you're trying to capture photos. Speaking of safety, the built-in anti-collision function provides an extra layer of protection, preventing bumps and damage as you navigate tricky spaces. This, combined with the lightweight, robust plastic body, means it can handle those inevitable beginner bumps without issue. Dual HD cameras and performance. The YL05 comes equipped with a professional HD dual camera setup, letting you see and record the action from two different perspectives. Better yet, it features an electro-regulator camera, which means you can adjust the camera angle remotely during flight, optimizing your shot whether you're taking a selfie or capturing the landscape. Powered by a high-speed motor, the drone responds instantly, giving you quick and precise control. It uses a reliable 2.4G signal for solid communication up to about 80 meters. The drone itself is super compact, expanding to just 18 by 15 by 4.2 centimeters, ready to fly anywhere. With a 3.7V 1000 mAh battery, you get a solid 8 to 12 minutes of flight time, and the remote controller itself has a massive 3.7V 1200 mAh rechargeable battery, so you don't have to keep replacing AA batteries. If you're looking for a simple, safe, and screen-controlled drone that makes flying fun for everyone, the YL05 Mini Drone is a perfect pick. Are you team dark gray, orange, or black? Let me know which color you choose in the comments below.